In today's video, I'm going to teach you to find IBAN and BIC code in Halifax app/online banking. Before we begin, a quick note on what these details are. Your IBAN is your international bank account number used to send or receive money from abroad. The BIC, sometimes called the SWIFT code, identifies your bank during international transfers. You'll need both for most overseas payments, and Halifax makes them easy to find. Let's start with the Halifax mobile app. Open the Halifax app on your phone and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, select the account you want to view. This is important if you have more than one account because each account has its own IBAN tied to it. At the top of the screen, look for the information icon or an option that says Account Details. Tap that. In this section, choose Share Bank Details. This is where Halifax neatly groups the information you need for payments. You'll see your IBAN displayed along with your BIC or SWIFT code. From here, you can save or share these details securely. A helpful tip, use the share or copy feature to avoid typos, especially when sending the numbers to someone arranging a payment. And as always, only share these details with trusted parties to keep your banking secure. Now, if you prefer a computer, you can find the same information using Halifax Online Banking. Log into Halifax Online Banking through your web browser. Once you're in, select the account you want. Again, make sure it's the correct one if you have multiple accounts. Look for account details or a link that says View Account Information. In that section, you'll find your IBAN and your BIC or SWIFT code listed clearly. If you need to paste them into a form or send them to someone, copy them directly from this page to reduce errors. A couple of extra tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Share Bank Details option on the app, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Screen layouts can vary slightly by device, but the information will always be under Account Details. When setting up an international transfer, double-check the recipient's requirements, as some countries ask for the bank's address, in addition to the IBAN and BIC. Finally, keep a secure record of your details if you make regular international payments, but avoid storing them in places that aren't protected. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your IBAN and BIC code in both the Halifax app and online banking.